Dear students, my name is K.S. Rao, Mathematics faculty, Durga. Today, I will discuss 2017 CET Mathematics question paper. So, please note down all the solutions. First question is from determinants. A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3, then what is det of Ka? Because matrix is of order 3 by 3, from each row 1k will come out, so its value is k into det A, that is equal to k cube det A. So answer is C, third option. Now second question. This is from coordinate geometry. Here three vertices are given. First one is k comma 0, second one 4 comma 0, and third one is 0 comma 2. Area of triangle is 4 square units, then the value of k is. So area of triangle formula, delta is equal to half of x1 y1 k0, x2 y2 40, x3 y3 again x1 y1 is equal to 4 given. So cross multiplication, first one is 0, second one is 8, third one is minus 2k is equal to 2 4s are 8. Removing modulus, 8 minus 2k is equal plus or minus 8. Two cases will arise, first one by taking plus sign. So 8 minus 2k is equal to 8, 8 gets cancelled, k value 0. Second option is 8 minus 2k is equal to minus 8. So 2k becomes 2 8s are 16. So k is equal to 8. So probables of k are 0 comma 8, which is option B. Third question. This one is interlinked concept. Two matrices A and B are given. What is the difference? A minus B. To answer this, we know the formula from ITF. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Same thing for tan cot secant cosecant. If you subtract, A minus B is equal to, obviously sin inverse plus cos inverse value pi by 2. Second one is both are same, so we'll get 0. Third also both are same, 0. And the fourth element pi by 2. So taking pi by 2 common, remaining value is I. But A value 1 by pi given, so here 1 by pi will come. So here by pi, both pi cancel, answer is half of identity matrix, half of I. So option is B. Fourth question. Determinants are equated. 3x x 1 is equal to determinant of 3, 2, 4, 1. What are values of x? Its value AD minus BC, 3 minus x square is equal 3 minus 8. 3 gets cancelled, x square value 8 means x is plus or minus 2 root 2. So for this question, option is first option A. Fifth question. This is from differential equations. Given DE is in standard form dy by dx plus 2 by x into y is equal to x square by x is x. So formula for integrating factor is e power integral 2 by x dx e power 2 log x, nothing but x square. So option is C. Sixth question. This is from geometry conic section ellipse. We want eccentricity E. Here A is more than B. So answer is under root A square minus B square by A square. So is equal to 36 minus 16 is 20 by 36. This means 2 root 5. This means 6. So first option A. Question number 7. Integral formula for cos 2 theta in terms of sin theta is, in terms of cos theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So its value 2 cos square x minus 1 minus of 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos theta dx. 1 gets cancelled, 2 taken as common, a square minus b square factors, a minus b into a plus b, cancelling common factor, this is the remaining value. So 2 into integration of cos x is sin x, this will be constant, integration of dx is x plus c. So answer first option A. Coming to 8th question. This is from inequalities. Mod x minus 2 is less than or equal to 1 given. Whenever mod x less than or equal to a given, then x lies in between minus a to plus a. In place of a, 1 is given. So minus 1 is less than or equal to x minus 2 is less than or equal to 1. Adding 2 in all sides, this becomes 1 x 3. So x belongs to closed interval 1 to 3. So option is first option A. Question number 9. This is from continuity. F of x given in two cases. First one is x less than or equal to 2 and second case x more than 2. At x is equal to, if it is continuous, what is the value of k? It means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit value k into x value 2, so 2 square is equal to right limit is 3 given, so k becomes 3 by 4. So option is A. Question number 10. This is on probability. We know that sigma probability of x is equal to always 1. So add the resultant probabilities. First one is 0.3, second one is k, third one is 2k, fourth also 2k is equal to 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1, 5k is equal to 1 minus 0.3, 0.7. So k is equal to 0.7 by 5, means 0.14. So option is D. Moving to question number 11. This is from functions. Given function is f of x is equal to under root 9 minus x square. Clearly its domain x belongs to minus 3 to plus 3. This is its domain. But we need its range. For minus 3 or plus 3, output is 0. In between these two, for 0, output is 3. So obviously the range becomes 0 to 3, closed interval. That is option number B. Second option B. 13th question. NC 12 is equal to NC 8 given. This implies either 12 is equal to 8, which is not possible. So n must be is equal to 12 plus 8, that is equal to 20. Option B. Now 14th question. This is from 3-dimensional geometry. Distance of a point from a line required. Suppose given point is P, its coordinates are minus 2, 4, minus 5. and any point on the line can be taken as 3 lambda minus 3 comma 5 lambda plus 4 6 lambda minus 8. Clearly this PQ is perpendicular to the line L. Here the point P, here the line L, this is Q. So PQ is perpendicular means L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 is 0. So L1 L2 PQ, Q minus P, this minus this, 3 lambda minus 3 plus 2 is 3 lambda minus 1 into 3 plus PQ. 5 lambda plus 4 minus 4 becomes 5 lambda only. Here this is 5 M2 value. N1 6 lambda minus 8 plus 5 minus 3 into 6 is equal to 0. 9 lambda 25 lambda 36 lambda. 36 plus 34 is 70 lambda minus 3 minus 18 is equal to 21. So lambda is equal to, after cancelling 7, 3 by 10. We want a distance PQ. So PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. That is equal to, substituting this lambda here. This minus this means basically 3 lambda minus 1. So 3 lambda means 9 by 10 minus 1 is 1 by 10, its square 1 by 100. Second one, this one 5 lambda, 5 into 3, 15. 15 by 10 whole square, 225 by 100. Plus third one is 6 lambda minus 3. It means 6 into 3, 18. 18 minus 30, 12. 12 square is 144 by 100. Total 144 plus 1, 145 plus 200, 345, 350, 370 by 100. Cancelling 10, root of 37 by 10. So that answer is first option A. Question number 16. Cos square 45 minus sin square 15. Nothing but cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So cos A plus B means cos 60 into cos A minus B is cos 30. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. So root 3 by 4. It means D is the right option. Question number 17. Distance of a point in 3D from xy plane is obviously its z coordinate. So answer is z coordinate. So 8 units. So option is D. Now question number 17. So this is 16. This one is 15. Integral 0 to pi by 2 tan power 7 x by tan pi by 2 minus x whole power 7 plus tan power 7x dx is nothing but pi by 4. Since integral 0 to a f of x by f of x plus f of a minus x dx, in this form answer is upper limit by 2, a by 2. Question number 18. Coefficient of variation is 60, standard deviation is 24. What is arithmetic mean? Relation is CV is equal to sigma by mean into 100. required mean is equal, sigma is 24 given by CV is 60 into 100, cancel 0 and cancel 6, 4 times into 10, 40. So that answer is C. Now question number 19. These from vectors. A, B are unit vectors. So that modulus of A is equal, modulus of B is equal 1 given. Also root 3 into A minus B is also unit vector. For this squaring on both the sides, A square means 3 into mod A whole square is 1, B square means 1 minus 2 into A dot B. Root 3 into A dot B means mod A mod B into cos of angle between them is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Cancel this 1. Remaining 2 root 3 into cos theta is equal to that side 3 itself. So that cos theta is equal to 3 by root 3 is root 3 by 2. So theta will be 30 degrees, which is in D option. Question number 20. The point on the curve y square is equal to x, where the tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with x axis is. Theta is equal to 45 given. So slope m is equal to tan 45 is equal to 1, and curve is y square is equal to x. Differentiating with respect to x, its derivative 2y into dy by dx means slope value 1, its derivative 1. So that y is equal to 1 by 2, which gives the value of x. Y square means 1 by 4. So the point is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2, option, first option A. Question number 21. This is from different integral, integral 0.2 to 3.5 step x dx given. Step x changes its position from integral to integer to integer. So split up 0.1. In this interval, step value is 0. 1 to 2. In this interval, its value is 1. 2 to 3. Its value is 2. Remaining 3 to 3.5. Its value is 3. So first one is 0. Integration of dx is x, between this 2 minus 1 is 1, and 2 into 3 minus 2, 3 into 3.5 minus 3. So answer, this is 1, and here this is 2, 3 into 1.5, 4.5, 4, 5, 6, 1.5 into 3, 7.5. So this is equal to, first one is 0, second one is 1, third is 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 0.5, 1.5, 2, 3, total 4.5. So the option is first option A. Question number 22. If x is a prime number, then x is odd. We need contrapositive treatment. It means negation Q implies negation P. So obviously answer is, if x is not odd, then x is not prime. So answer D. 23rd question. A, B, C are unit vectors. It means mod A is equal to, mod B is equal to, mod C is equal to 1, and A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 0 bar given. Squaring on both sides. Mod A square, mod B square, mod C square, 2 into A dot B, B dot C, C dot A is equal to 0. So required this value, A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal 1, 1, 1, right side minus 3 divided by 2. So, option is A. 24th question. The function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing in which interval? Strictly increasing means f dash x strictly positive. It means 2x plus 2 is greater than 0. So, that x greater than minus 1, it means x belongs to minus 1 to infinite open intervals, which is given in option D. Question number 25. Integral x plus 3 into e power x by x plus 4 whole square dx is equal e power x. This can be written as x plus 4 minus 1 by x plus 4 whole square dx. So, that e power x into, split this for first, its value 1 by x plus 4, and second minus 1 by x plus 4 whole square into dx. So, its value e power x into f of x plus c. Here formula used is integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x f of x plus c. So, answer is second option B. Now, question number 26. Y is equal to tan inverse of, inside sin cos given, converting into tan, dividing both by cos, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. It means tan inverse of this formula for tan pi by 4 plus x, tan inverse tan gets cancelled, value is pi by 4 plus x. So, its derivative dy by dx is equal to, for pi by 4 0, for x 1, answer is 1. It means the fourth option D. Question number 27. From functions f of x, g of x given, we need f circle g of x. It means f of g of x is equal f of g of x is cube root of x given. F of x is 8x cube given. 8x cube, in place of x cube, write x power 1 by 3, its cube is x only. So, answer is third option C. 28th. These from areas. Area bounded by the region formed by the curve y is equal to x square and y is equal to 16. First one is upward parabola, x axis, y axis, origin. Second one is a horizontal line, y is equal to 16. Suppose this is A, this is B. So, required area is equal to 2 times of area of region OAC, if it is C, because both are symmetric. 2 into, we need limits of y. Y here 0, there 16. So, and here from this, what is value of x root y dy. 2 into y power 1 by 2, integration y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, means here 2 by 3, y power 3 by 2, in between 0 and 16, 2 into 2, 4 by 3 into 16 power 1 by 2 is 4, 4 cube. 4 4 16, 256 by 3 square units. So, this is given in second option. So, answer is second option B. Question number 29. Y is equal to log of log x. This is from derivatives. Its derivative dy by dx is equal to Here two functions. For first function derivative of log is 1 by x, in place of x log is given, into derivative of second function derivative of log 1 by x. So dy by dx value 1 by x log x. Again differentiating with respect to x, d square by dx square. Suppose if it is x, 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. It means x log x whole square into its derivative. UV rule. X, its derivative 1 by x, log x, x derivative 1. So minus of 1 plus log x divided by x log x whole square, which is third option C. Question number 30. The plane makes angle sin inverse alpha with x axis, then what is value of alpha? Here formula sin inverse alpha is equal to sin inverse of the plane is pi, suppose x axis means I by modulus of that value is equal. So alpha is equal to numerator value with I means 2 by under root 4 plus 9 plus 36. This 40, 49, root 49 is 7, 2 by 7 units, which is given in third option C. So 30 questions completed, almost 50% question paper over. All questions are very easy. I hope all of you did well. Now question number 31. This is from graphs. X axis, y axis, origin. Here one line is given. The point is 0, 3 means this y is equal to 3. Here one more line given. Point is 6, 0. One more line given. Here the point is 4, 0. And this one is 0, 5. How to represent this region? So basically this region is in first quadrant. So x greater than 0, y greater than 0 may be equal this line. X value 6, it should be less than or equal to 6. Y value is 3, again less than or equal to 3. And this line intercept form x by a, x intercept 4, y by b, y intercept 5 is equal to 1. This is always more. So in place of is equal to greater than or equal to, so that 5x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 20. So the option is B. 32nd question. 3 plus 5 plus 7 and so on up to n terms, which is in AP. So n by 2 into 2 into A plus n minus 1 into D, difference is 2. 2 common and cancel, n into n minus 1 plus 3, n plus 2. So option is D. 33rd one. Integral root x square plus 2x plus 5, x square plus 2x in place of 5 write 1 plus 4 dx. It means root of x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square dx, which is in formula type. So answer is x plus 1 by 2 into root of this one, x square plus 2x plus 5 plus a square by 2. A square is 2 square by 2 means 2 into log x plus 1 plus same value x square plus 2x plus 5 plus c, which is given in second option B. So answer is B. 34th. A and B are finite sets and A is subset of B given. A is subset of B. It means if it is B, here A. So obviously first option is correct. It means n of A union B nothing but n of B only. So option is 1. First option A. 35th question. F of x is equal to x power 4. What about 1 1 and onto? Clearly this even number. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is plus or minus x2. So clearly it is not 1 1. And 4th root of x means it does not belongs to real numbers. So it is not onto also. So not 1 1 not onto means first option A, neither 1 1 nor onto function. 36th. A and B are independent events. When A and B are independent, A dash B dash also independent. So probability of A dash intersection B dash is equal to probability of A dash into probability of B dash, nothing but 1 minus probability of A into 1 minus probability of B, which is option A. 37. A box has 100 pens of which 10 are defective. So probability of selecting a defective bulb is 10 by 100, 1 by 10. So Q is 9 by 10, 1 minus P. The probability that out of a sample of 5 pens, n is equal to 5. Draw 1 by 1 with replacement and at most 1 is defective. So x is less than or equal to 1, not at least, at most. So probability of x is less than or equal to 1 means either probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. It means 5C0 1 by 10 whole power 0, 9 by 10 whole power 5 plus 5C1 1 by 10 into 9 by 10 whole power 4. So answer, this is 1 9 by 10 whole power 5 plus 5C1 is 5 into 1 by 10 is 1 by 2, 9 by 10 whole power 4, which is given in option C. So answer is third option C. Question number 38. Integral minus 5 to plus 5 modulus of x plus 2 dx. This will become 0 for minus 2. So split this from minus 5 to minus 2 to minus 2 to 5 mod x plus 2 dx. In this region this is negative. And in this interval positive. So minus of integration of x is x square by 2 plus 2x between minus 5 to minus 2 and x square by 2 plus 2x between minus 2 to 5. So minus of this one, 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25 by 2 minus 2 into minus 5 minus 2 plus 5. Coming to second part, 25 minus 4 by 2 plus 2 into 5 plus 2. So this value 21 by 2. This also 21 by 2. And this one is minus 6, that is 14. These two becomes 21. This is 8. So answer 29, which is in first option A. Question number 39. These are matrices equating first elements 2 plus y is equal to 5, so that y value is 3, and equating last elements 2x plus 2 is equal to 8, 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. So, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, first option A. Question number 40. Y is equal to det of f of x, g of x, h of x, L, M, N, and A, B, C given. What is dy by dx? The concept is derivative of determinant. Its value, the method is keep second and third rows as it is, differentiates elements in first row, f dash x, g dash x, h dash x, plus now keep first row and second row as it is. Differentiate elements in second row 0, 0, 0, plus keep first and second as it is. Derivatives of elements in third row, so that answer is f dash x, g dash x, h dash x, L, M, N, A, B, C, which is given in first option A. Now question number 41. Derivative of y is equal to cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 is nothing but formula for 2 cos inverse x with respect to cos inverse x. We want dy by dz, it means derivative of 2 cos inverse x by derivative of cos inverse x, 2 common remaining cancel. So, answer is 2, option is D. Now, question number 42. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx by e to the power sin x plus 1 given. Split this into two parts, minus pi by 2 to 0 dx by e power sin x plus 1. Second part is 0 to pi by 2 dx by e power sin x plus 1. In first function, replace x by minus x. This becomes plus pi by 2, this 0 only, this is minus dx by e power sin of minus x is minus sin x plus 1. Second one as it is, 0 to pi by 2 dx by e power sin x plus 1. Give this minus to intervals, it becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. This value is 1 by e power sin x, take LCM, so that numerator becomes e power sin x into dx by here 1 plus this is e power sin x after LCM plus integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by e power sin x plus 1. Intervals are same. If we add integral 0 to pi by 2 dx common, e power sin x plus 1 by same, so dx, integration of dx is x between 0 to pi by 2, so answer is pi by 2 minus 0, nothing but pi by 2, which is given in option C. Now coming to question number 43. Equation of line passing through the point 1 comma 2 and perpendicular to y is equal to 3x minus 1. It means 3x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Perpendicular to this is x plus 3y is equal to, in place of x, x coordinate 1 plus 3, and in place of y, y coordinate is 2. So, answer is x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, which is given in second option. So, answer is B, option B. Now, 44th one. Area of region bounded by the curve y is equal to cos x in between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. Y is equal to cos x between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. It means curve is like this. For 0 value is 1, here 0 like this. It means half arch, nothing but one full arch. This area always equal to 2 units. Otherwise, required area is equal to 0 to pi cos x dx, or 2 times of 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. 2 into integration of cos x is sin x between 0 to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 1, sin 0 0, 1 minus 0 is 1 into 2 square units, or directly each arch area is 2 units, so answer is 2 square units. Question number 45. This from limits and continuity. Limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos 4 theta by 1 minus cos 6 theta. The replacement of 1 minus cos x when x tends to 0 is x square by 2. So here its value is 4 square by 2 by 6 square by 2, cancel 2. So 4 into 4, 6 into 6, cancel 2, 4 by 9. Option B. Question number 46. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y given, its value is 4 pi by 5. What is the value of cot inverse x plus cot inverse y? Suppose its value is x, add them. Sum of these two is pi by 2 and these two is pi by 2. Here 4 pi by 5 plus required x. So required x is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi minus 4 pi by 5. LCM is 5. 5 pi minus 4 pi is pi. Pi by 5, which is given in option B. Now question number 47. This is from binomial theorem. X plus a whole power 47 minus x minus a whole power 47. The number of terms after simplifying this binomial is, because n is odd number of final terms is n plus 1 by 2. 47 plus 1 48. 48 by 2 is 24, which is given in first option A. Question number 48. Two vectors given a bar b bar, they are perpendicular, then what is value of lambda? So if they are perpendicular, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Sum of multiplication of their coefficients, a1 a2 is 2, b1 b2 is 2 lambda and c1 c2 is 3. 2 lambda is equal to 5, lambda value minus 5 by 2, which is given in third option C. Now 49th question. Delta given, its value ax x square 1, by y square 1, cz z square 1. From first row take x common, from second y, third z, resulting is abc xyz 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Multiplying elements in last column by this xyz, a, b, c, xyz and yz, zx, xy. Since that a is equal to a transpose, that of abc, xyz, yz, zx, xy, given that its value is delta 1. So both are equal. So option is D. Question number 50. Rate of change of volume of sphere with respect to its surface area when radius is 4 centimeters. Item is sphere. Its surface area is 4 pi r square and volume is 4/3 pi r cube. We need dV by ds, means dV by dr divided by ds by dr. So 4 by 3 into pi into this derivative is 3 r square divided by 4 pi into 2r. When r is equal to 4, cancel 4, cancel pi, cancel 3, cancel r. Remaining r by 2 means 4 by 2. 2 cubic centimeters by square centimeters, which is given in option B. Question number 51. If an LPP admits optimal solution at 2 consecutive vertices of a feasible region, then ultimately answer is the optimal solution occurs at every point on the line of those points which is given in C. 52nd. This from differential equations. General solution of the dE dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y is separating x terms and y terms and taking integral. For this log of mod 1 minus y, and for this minus x plus c, which is given in option A. Question number 53. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power m is equal to 1. Its value is I to the power m is equal to 1 means least integral value of m to get 1 is 4, because I square minus 1, I power 4 is plus 1, which is in option A. Question number 54. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dividing by cos square x both. 1 by cos square is secant square x dx, here b square, here a square sin square by cos square is tan square x. Take a square common and tan x is equal to t. Then lower limit is 0, upper limit is infinity. This becomes dt. Take this common, so it becomes b by a whole square, and this is t square. So 1 by a square into direct formula 1 by a tan inverse b by a, t by b by a, between 0 to infinity, cancel 1 a, resulting 1 by ab. Infinity means pi by 2, 0 means 0. So final answer is pi by 2ab, which is given in first option. Now moving to 55th question. If a matrix is both symmetric and skew symmetric, symmetric means A transpose is equal to A, skew symmetric means A transpose is equal to minus A. So obviously A is equal to null matrix O. So this is given in option B. So answer is second option B. 56. The range of secant inverse x. Direct question. 0 to pi other than pi by 2. 57. Sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. So, x is equal to sin inverse of 2t by 1 plus t square, 2 tan inverse t, and tan y is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square. So, y is equal to tan inverse of 2t by 1 minus t square means 2 tan inverse t. Say theta. So, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx means derivative of 2 tan inverse theta by derivative of 2 tan inverse theta only. Both are same, value is 1, which is given in third option. Answer is C. Question number 58. Degree of differential equation. Its highest order derivative is 2. So, clearly its order is 2. Its integral power is degree, nothing but 1. Direct question. So, answer is option 4, D. Now, last but one question. Reflection of the point alpha, beta, gamma in xy plane is. First on z axis, its foot is alpha, beta, 0. So, reflection is again moving same distance, alpha, beta, minus gamma. So, answer third option C. Now, the last question, 60th. Binary operation star or on set of real numbers except minus 1 defined by a star b is equal to a by b plus 1. First element divided by second element plus 1. Is it commutative or associative or both or neither? So, if it is a star b, then b star a is equal first element b second plus 1, just both are not equal. So, clearly it is not a commutative. What about a star b star c? To verify associative, this means a by b plus 1 star c, first a by b plus 1 first element divided by second plus 1, nothing but a divided by b plus 1 into c plus 1. This is a star b star c. Now, a star b star c, it means a star here b by c plus 1 means first element divided by second element plus 1 means a into c plus 1 by b plus c plus 1, which are not equal. So, it is not associative. So, star is neither associative or commutative, which is given in option A. Option B. Sorry. So, these are the solutions of 2017 CET Maths question paper, which was very easy. I hope all of you can understood. If any queries or suggestions, please contact